Hey guys, this is Ian, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I turn this into this. Alright guys, so all you need for this project is that black stuff right here. I'll link the description below. You're going to need a rug, a masking tape. So let's go ahead and show you what we need to do first. So the first part will be to mask or tape whatever you don't want the dye to go in. For instruction, you need to shake this, put at least 1 to 2 application. Also, you want to make sure that the surface is clean, which I already did prior to masking. So just make sure you apply it evenly onto the surface, and you're all set. So you're done. That pretty much completes the process of using that black stuff. Again, if you want more information, I'll go ahead and link the description below. Again, hope you liked the video, and like and subscribe. Bye.